Having a routine in your home is the key. Just like a classroom has a routine, your house has to have a routine and a schedule. That routine and a schedule needs to be introduced to your child, even though to your toddler, that they need to be exposed to that through visuals. With the visual, they're learning routines, structure, time, boundaries, space. Once you do those, they're able to start following directions and reminding them. You need to notify them 3 times. You're going to tell them in 15 minutes, snack time. Toy will be put away, and then you show the clock and you have the visuals. So now they know from this, I'm moving to this. So 10 minutes before that, you'd say, just a reminder, in 5 minutes, snack time. Toy will be put away because they're toddlers. So you're going to have to repeat things many times. So you go back and you're going to say, it's time now. And remember, for kids to follow directions, they need to know the rules.